In this video, I'll show you how to add subscribe form in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to search right here for your plugin marketplace and search for WP Forms. In order to access that, you need to scroll on your left sidebar until you can see this plugins and click on this add new plugin. Now we need to install this contact form by WP Forms. As you can see in my case, I've already installed it, so make sure to install this and activate on your end. Now, once you have installed a particular plugin, you can actually see it on your left sidebar as well. So scroll down until you can see this WP Forms. It's just near the plugins and appearance. So click on that right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the dashboard of that specific plugin. You can see right here that I have created some forms already. Now, if you want to add a subscribe form, you need to head over and create a new form. Click on this add new right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will show you the actual window that will ask you the template that you will use for this case. So just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So you can see right here that they have in here this sample templates. But for this one, we want to have a subscribe form. So let's head over and create the blank form. And when you have clicked on that, it will show you the editor or forms editor of this specific plugin. So here's our blank form. So for this one, let's put in here a single line text and let's add it right here. And on this single line text that will approve, let's head over and add in here the text that we want. So we have in here the label. So for example, let's say something like subscribe to our email list. So you can see something like that, and you can also put in here a description. Stay tuned with our progress. So you can put in here anything that you want as well. Now, in here, you can put in here some things like for things that you want them to put, or you can also add some view more fields that you want. So for example, for this one, you can choose fancy fields right here, such as phone, layout, password, and all of these things right here. But you can also choose ones that has a lot of things. Like for example, you can choose single line text, checkboxes, numbers, or email. So let's check, or let's put email right here. Let's just drag this, or you can just drag this wherever you want. And as you can see, the email has been added. Now, you can also have the option to make this particular thing required. Now, I can also add a description, like for example, put your email here. Now, you can also toggle this advanced button. You can choose the field size as well as a placeholder text, confirmation placeholder text, default value, and also the allow list and deny list. Now, I can also add some more fields. So you can choose this captcha right here in order to prevent bots accessing your form. So let's head over and drag this right here in order to specifically add this captcha button that we have. So in here, you need to set up your WP form settings in order to make sure to integrate captcha right here. Once you have set it up, you should be able to add it. Now you can see right here that it's still titled as blank form. So for this one, let's name this subscribe. Then you can add in here the form description as well as the tags related to that, and also the submit button text and also the processing text. And then in here, you can also click on this preview button right here in order to see what the preview of this subscribe form that you have created. So you can show in here the actual form. So let's head over right here and make sure to save it first before you click on the preview. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the actual setup of the subscribe form that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.